Hey, man. Sockhead Joe said we unboxed his 55 Chevy in red and we drove it to the lake. Had a fantastic day, man. Buckle up. Hang on. Here we go. That's what I done and did said. DJ the Jack says fun times indeed at the lake. This is actually Lake Lanier here in Gainesville, Georgia. We are also having our lake on the old Fred right here. Hey, what's up there, Natasha? You got your bikini on already?
Thank you for that fantastic intro, DJ the Jack. Yes, I have on my yellow bikini today. I will be going over to the lake here shortly and broadcast on location. That is my favorite place to work. I love the lake and the ocean. The weather is a perfect sunny day, with a high of 90 with no chance of rain. Traffic is moderate on World Main Street. I am looking forward to a test drive in the beautiful Re55 Chevy from Hot Wheels. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Big Buddy says, what a fantastic day. I do love hanging out in the lake as well, but I do enjoy playing in the mud even more. That's Big Muddy style, and this 55 Chevy in red, it is pretty. It would look a lot better with mud on it, and it will soon have some mud on it if I have anything to do with it. Big Muddy style.